from Steve Mead, pushing it on the block, who's serving the border fiend. Rank out.
All right, well, here we are again. Back with the Z-Box V6. If you were here a few weeks back when I filmed this, my buddy Zach dropped off this little box here. Looks like a motor. Looks cool, but I immediately blew up all his speakers within about 5 minutes of playing with them. So we went ahead and got new ones. But in the meantime, we got this thing repaired, and we want to make some more smoke. But before we go ahead and make some more smoke, I want to do something cool with these things. We're going to run them out of phase and film it in slow motion just to see if we can actually make them look like Pistons before we take them out the rest of the way. Now for this little experiment, music isn't going to look that great, but a frequency will. So we're going to go ahead and get it moving with this thing plugged directly into the amplifier. All right, we're going to start out about 60 hertz. Probably isn't going to be a lot to see. Start turning it down. I don't want to blow them up just yet. All right, so the last time I smoked his speakers, the motors were sticking out. These things were inverted. So I didn't even mean to smoke them, but when they did, we didn't have a lot of smoke coming out of the headers right here. So this time we're gonna smoke them the right way. But just to make it a little bit more dramatic, we're gonna pop these things inside the box. One of the main things he said when he brought this thing over is that we want smoke coming out of these pipes. That was the main thing. And then when it's all said and done, we're gonna drop some brand new Sundown 6.5s in this thing, and he's gonna make it into a real box the rest of the way. First things first, we wanna have some fun. So I say we drop these things in there and light them. All right, so I don't actually catch my shop on fire, we'll go ahead and use one of these. All right, so what we have here, we got a smoke bomb. We got 6.5. We're gonna make some smoke. All right, here we go. Here goes nothing. Whoa, 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 here we go. Oh, it's making smoke. Oh, shoot. Oh, it's coming out of the speakers already. Oh. Oh, it stinks in here. Oh, that ain't good. I missed the thing. Good enough. Ready?
stinks in here.
All right, that was fun. Looks like they all pretty much survived. One of them was making a little bit of noise, but it might just be loose. Doesn't seem to be blown. And just because I felt bad about blowing up his 6.5s, I made it up to him by getting him some Sundown 6.5s. So I'm pretty sure he's just gonna take this box home, put those brand new Sundowns in there, finish up this box the rest of the way, make it look pretty, and you guys will be seeing more of it soon. I'll make sure I post about it. Stay tuned, as you're about to see him finish this thing up. Check out the Instagram. I'll put the link right down here at the bottom. You can see what he does later.